So last week I made this cocktail, the Mosquito. Whew! Boom! Yeah, this definitely packs a punch. I also made it at the bar for a couple of people and they all seemed to like it. A special thank you to Ginoli, Stephanie, and Aurora for trying it. But there was this one lady that specifically asked me for something smoky and something spicy, so I made her the Mosquito, and she loved it. However, smoky and spicy is not for everyone, but the cocktail I'm making today definitely is. This is so delicious. Let's make the Knickerbocker. I just recently learned about this cocktail from these two guys while at work one night. This is where I work, by the way. Pretty cool video, right? I didn't shoot that though. I wish. So the Knickerbocker is another one of those super old cocktails that can be found in Jerry Thomas's Bartender's Guide, this book. Poink poink. And if you go to page 35, there it is. Le Knickerbocker. Before we can make this cocktail, it's imperative that we understand the history of the word Knickerbocker. It refers to the style of pants that the Dutch settlers that were coming to the New World, now known as New York, were wearing. They were pants rolled up just below the knee. The word was also synonymous with the Dutch settlers themselves and eventually became synonymous with pretty much anything from New York. Like for example, the Knickerbocker Hotel or the Knicks basketball team. And that's it for today's history lesson. Alright, so you're going to need a rum. I'm using a gold rum, which doesn't really mean anything because rum doesn't have any legal requirements on how you define them. You can add coloring and or flavors to them pretty much as you wish. This one though has been aged for 12 months on oak barrels, and it's what you call a rum agricole. Rum agricole means that it's made from pressed sugarcane juice. An orange liqueur, I'm using Pierre Ferrand's dry Curacao, which is a cognac-based orange liqueur, but feel free to use whatever orange liqueur you have. I'm sure it'll be fine. Then we're going to need some simple syrup, fresh lime juice, and some raspberries. Okay, I'm going to start by muddling 3 raspberries. Then I'm going to add half an ounce of simple syrup. Half an ounce of your orange liqueur. Three-quarter ounce of your lime juice. And 2 ounces of your rum. And now, all I have to do is give this a quick shake with a little bit of ice because we're going to serve this over crushed ice so you don't have to dilute it a lot before it goes into the glass. I'm going to double strain this to catch all the raspberries. Alright, so let's give this a try. This is super refreshing, very delicious, easy to make, hard to mess up, straightforward flavors. You got the raspberries, orange, a nice rum, fresh lime juice. What could possibly go wrong? What could possibly go wrong? You need to make this for you and your friends. That's it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.